JLR investigates. Florida. Freezing rain, folks. Freezing rain. Look at this. Ice. Looks like a couple inches thick ice. I'm in Caps, Florida, right off of I-10. A little east of Tallahassee. And we have a lot of freezing rain that fell here. Ice. Ice. Look at this. Look at this. Ice. 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 Unbelievable. Look. All over the trees. Thick ice. Thick ice. Panhandle got about 9 inches of snow in a lot of spots. And then east of Tallahassee, you got a lot of ice. Got a lot of ice. Never seen anything like this. Ever. All over the trees. Look at this. Wow. Wow. It's beautiful. And I saw the sun starting to come up. It even looked better in the trees coming. But it's just all over the place. You also got some snow here. But I think they got ice before the snow. Never in my wildest dreams would I think Florida would get ice and snow. Look at this. Temperature this morning, this is 2 days after this event. And in the morning time, it's still below freezing here. Some of this is like 2 inches thick. 2 inches thick. Ice. I haven't seen trees get knocked down though. Look. Frozen. Crazy. I don't know if we're ever going to see this again in our lifetime. Maybe, maybe not. I've been storm chasing for the last couple days and seen it all. I've seen tractor trailers jackknifed on the road. Vehicles stuck in the snow on US 29 south of Century. I've seen snow on the beach in Pensacola. Lots of it. Records breaking all over the place. Milton, Florida. We went live streaming in Milton. We measured 5.5 inches of snow at the time. They ended up getting like 9 inches of snow, 9.5 inches of snow, which doubled the 1954 record that they had of 4 inches of snow. Unbelievable stuff in the Sunshine State. Look at this. There's still ice on the ground. Literally, it's ice. It's ice. Look at this. Ice. Now the roads are dry at this point, but there is some icy patches in certain spots. You got to be careful. That's why the accidents happen, because these people are flying and then they hit an ice patch and they don't know how to deal with it. JLR investigates. Icy, Florida. Subscribe to the channel, like, hit the notification button. Storm chasing. Amazing. We'll talk soon. Stay tuned.